Hi, I'm Nick from Implear, and I'm going to be showing you how ZineGenie lets you create beautiful interactive publications which your readers can enjoy at any time on their iPad, their Android or Kindle Fire tablets and on their mobile phones. I'll tell you about our simple drag and drop tools that let you create a digital edition that is right for your budget and resources, from quick and easy print replicas that take just a few minutes to put together, to fully featured immersive experiences that combine print, video, social networking and modern web technologies and adapt your pages to the devices your readers are using. You'll also hear how ZineGenie is flexible, with hundreds of configurable elements to reflect your unique brand and style. And you'll learn how easily ZineGenie lets you add capabilities and features as your market and readership changes. At Implear, we know that there are some publishers lucky enough to be able to invest big bucks in transforming their print titles. They can afford to have teams of designers and editors painstakingly tailoring content to meet the complex and conflicting requirements of a multi-platform publishing environment. But we also know that they're in the minority. For most publishers, the digital market, although alluring, is still relatively untested. And with ever-tightening margins, you need to be able to deliver quickly and cost effectively without massively increasing staffing levels or having to learn new skills. At its simplest, ZineGenie consists of two things. Firstly, there's a content management system, or CMS. This provides a repository for your issues and an environment in which you build your enhanced user experience. And because this CMS is based in the cloud, there's no hardware or software for you to buy or support. But the most important part of ZineGenie is what we call the Reader app, and this is what we're going to be concentrating on. It's the app that users download to their device and into which your content is published. Our Reader apps can be standalone, or they can be integrated with digital magazine racks such as Apple Newsstand. Let's look at some of these apps more closely. Each app has a splash page and a list of published issues. Our out-of-the-box product gives you a choice of views for your library. The user can scroll up and down or swipe between single issue covers. And because ZineGenie makes adding or changing features simple, if you've different ideas about how to present your issues list, we can implement them as a simple custom requirement. ZineGenie enables a number of different charging models. It supports in-app purchasing, allowing you to sell single issues or recurring monthly and annual subscriptions. But it can also integrate with your subscriber database, so you can offer it as a value-added service to your existing readership. In this magazine, for Android devices, preview content is set up within an issue to give a flavour of the magazine, but then a paywall is applied. Some of our customers even offer their digital edition free, but ask readers to fill out a questionnaire, creating a marketing asset which can be data mined to offer enhanced value to potential advertisers. I'll talk more about the data gathering capabilities built into ZineGenie in a moment, but let's now look at how ZineGenie displays issues within the Reader app. Our entry-level display format is something we call Print Page View. This is a replica of the existing magazine, retaining the same layouts and visual identity. Readers can swipe between pages and zoom in and out, and our technology ensures that displays always remain pin sharp. Print pages can be prepared for publication in minutes, provide readers with a product that they're comfortable with, and quickly give you a presence in app stores. But Print Page View, in common with all simple page turner products, suffers from one major drawback. Pages are essentially fixed, and while that works on larger screens like the iPad, the user experience becomes progressively less satisfactory as the screen size decreases. A print page view on an iPhone, for example, requires readers to zoom in to make the text legible and then pan around to keep reading. It can be a disorientating experience. Why is this important? Well, our statistics show that many of your readers are likely to be using these smaller devices. Every month, for example, 49% of Dive magazine's readership access that issue using a mobile phone. Our answer is to link print page view to a second display format called text view. Text view extracts the words and images from your print pages and lets you design your own style around them, exactly like creating a web page. You can create a fluid layout, which changes according to a device's screen dimensions, and even whether it's being used in landscape or portrait orientation. You can use your own fonts to retain your magazine's visual appeal and create style sheets that can be applied easily to all articles and issues. Readers can switch painlessly between print page and text view either by double tapping or by selecting from a menu that appears when print page loads. Once in text view, they can swipe back and forth between stories until a double tap takes them back into print page view. The key thing to remember here is that this is one dynamic layout working across multiple platforms. TextView offers other advantages too. Stories can be updated in real time, and readers can add their own comments using their existing Facebook, Twitter or LinkedIn accounts. Let's look more closely at social network integration and how you can turn your readers into viral marketeers. When a reader posts a comment, several things happen. After being moderated, it appears on the relevant text view. But the comment is also posted as an update to the appropriate social network, along with a web link to a pre-selected sample of the article. That sample can be used to promote the digital edition amongst an ever-widening circle of potential readers. So far so good, but we've only scratched the surface of what a ZineGenie app can do. You can create galleries filled with luscious, high-quality imagery. Or you can embed or stream video and audio from both print page and text view using YouTube or any other provider. And you can track your readers' behaviour so you know which stories are working and which don't. Each ZineGenie app comes with a usage tracking feature that integrates with existing analytics packages such as Salesforce, Google or Flurry. And it provides near real-time aggregated reports of your readership's activity. It can gather high-level data such as geographical location, date and time, along with more granular information such as which pages were viewed, for how long, and which links were accessed. When offline, the app stores usage stats on the device until they can be pinged across to the reporting server. ZineGenie is a completely flexible package that adds value wherever you are in your digital publishing adventure. If you want something that isn't already included in the comprehensive library of features available on the ZineGenie.com website, our expert developers will build it to your specification. ZineGenie is difficult to beat on price, supported platforms, our Windows 8 app is coming soon, features, ease of use and scalability. Which is why we say that ZineGenie is digital publishing done properly.